So guys, today I will show you how to make fruit salad. The ingredients you will need is watermelon and melon, apples and longan, and then mayonnaise and condensed milk and plain yogurt, and the last one is grated cheese. For the first step, add plain yogurt, mayonnaise and condensed milk to taste into a bowl. Then mix it. Second step, put fruit in the bowl. Third step, pour the mixture of plain yogurt, mayonnaise and condensed milk over the fruit in the bowl. The last step, take a pinch of grated cheese and sprinkle it in a bowl. So this is an example of the previous steps, I mean earlier steps.